What's going on, y'all? It's Dime, and today we're going to be making some custom pocket screwdrivers using some brass. This is a 30-06 and 5.56. And these old screwdrivers, we got a old made in USA no-name flathead. We're going to chop off and throw in this 30-06 case. It'll be about that, like that. And then we got this little pocket screwdriver. We're going to be taking the magnet out of it and putting it in where the primer goes and putting the flathead in there. Yeah, let's get to it. Alright, y'all. There's our finished builds with these. Got a little pocket pry bar flathead, and then you got your mini. It's not perfect. Got the magnet in there. Was able to get that clip incorporated. Got that flathead on there pretty straight. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. And I got one more I did off camera. This one I had just kind of wanted to work on myself. I had a broken ratcheting screwdriver that had a plastic handle. It was a broken plastic handle. So I glued 3 boards together and shaped up this rounded handle. And now it's perfect. You can switch direction right there with the thumb. I love this thing. And it not being perfectly round is actually good. I was going for perfectly round, but once I messed up and it was like this, kind of oval, oblong, I realized you grab it a lot better and it doesn't want to twist in your hand. So I'm happy with how that one came out. Let me know if y'all want to see me make another one of these. I can, no problem. Yeah, let me know what y'all think. We got the little mini pocket screwdriver with the clip and the magnet. We got the little, this one's with the 5.56 case. And then we got the big pocket pry bar flathead with a 30-06. Let me know what y'all think down below in the comments. Don't forget to drop a like on the video if you enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We're almost at 400 subs. And when we get to 500, we're doing a giveaway. So yeah, don't miss out on that. Subscribe to the channel. I thank y'all very much for watching. And until next time, peace.